This is my bike stand in action. I love this stand for several reasons. First of all, it's really small when you fold it up and it's easy to store in my truck when I'm not using it. It holds a total of 55 pounds and it does a really nice job of balancing my bike when I'm washing it or working on it. Speaking of working on your bike, you don't want to blow out your back working on it all day, so it's nice to get the exact position you need. The tray is magnetic and holds screws and small parts, and I really love the way that it folds up and just stores in my truck. Overall, I love this product and I think it's great value.